Okay, so I'm going to show you how to replace remote housing on remote. Okay, so I have a remote over here. In order to open it, what I found out, the best way is to use just penny. Money always works the best. So all I have to do, as you see, there is a spot here in the remote where I just put the penny in and try to turn it inside, and be careful not to break anything inside. Okay, as you see, it's easy. I separated the remote. Right now I have to take the cover off. Here it is. You see? So, and buttons. Okay. Okay, so that's done. Okay, right now I'm going to put new casing on. So I take the remote with the buttons, put it on top the casing, fits good, flip it. Right now I put the actual remote. Make sure it fits right. Okay, that's done. All I have to do right now is put the back cover and just squeeze it with my fingers, and that's it. Done. For more videos like that, you may go to volvostrader.com. Again, volvostrader.com. Thank you.